1 gallon of paint or water. Alright, we already had some paint in here, but we're just putting these two colors or two paints together. It's pure white. But we need to thin the paint down, put in some water. Makes it easier for it to go through the paint gun, and it also lets the paint lay flatter. So that's why I add water to it. Oh shit! Ah, shit. Oh, shout. All right. Perfect. Now, got our extra paint. Pure white. All right, we've got to swap over the colors. Got the old paint, the remainder of this bucket and that bucket now. Let's clear our line here. Oh, plug her in. Oh, fuck. You know, she's pretty much all watery, so she's all out of the main line. All right, we got the water out of the paint out of the machine. Now we got to get it out of the line and put it back in this bucket so we don't waste any more of that. Now we just got to clear off the paint off of the nozzle. We'll reverse the flow so it's just a jet. And now we have to put it all that paint that's in the line back in the bucket. It'll take a few seconds or a minute, and you'll see right here the jet stream there get bigger and bigger. That's how you know water's getting in it. You can hear the difference right there. Alright. And see, she's pretty much running like it's water. Now the paint's all out of the line. Now we swap over to the pure white color. Alright, we got these little 5-gallon strainers. Find them on Amazon if you want them. Now we flip our little lever. Now this is our lever to swap it from flowing out of this tube to sucking and priming. So we're going to go from water to paint. Okay, here comes the paint. Alright, there's the paint. Alright. There's some paint on the screen. Alright, now we got to reprime the line and get paint in the line so we can start shooting paint in this base. Get an empty bucket. Alright, now this same thing but in reverse. We'll watch it switch from water to paint. Alright, we got paint. Now, see how that goes way slower. And remember it's diluted with water, but that's not just pure water, that's mostly paint right there. So let's switch over here and get painting.